Hey guys, today I'm sharing a honeybee palette sign DIY kit by the Rust Covered Cottage by Christina. Guys, I am an affiliate with her wood kits, and so today I'm highlighting this cute honeybee palette sign. I'm going to show you my tips and tricks of what I used. I'm also going to be doing the paint colors. I'll put all of the paint colors in the description box so you can check those out for easy reference. Now, these DIY wood kits are very easy to use. They're 1/4 inch birch wood, very lightweight, perfect for door hangers, also for wreath attachments or tiered trays. This sweet little honeybee set just is perfect for the summer season, and you can paint up the palette sign different ways of what you can, just to match your decor style. So what I'm doing here is I am giving it a coat of pine cone brown. Now that's a Dixie Belle color. And I am going to be positioning the bee upright. And so I wasn't quite worried about the lines of the laser. And so if you want to match the lines, I would suggest painting around those lines so that you can see the lines of where to place the bee. All right, so then like I said, what I did is I gave it a coat of pine cone brown. Then what I did is I took a candle, just a wax candle like a tea light, and I rubbed it in different places. Then now I'm taking my brush and going over it with a drop cloth. I'm not wanting a whole lot of coverage because I'm going to be doing the chippy technique on this palette sign. And so then wherever I have that wax candle, that's when I'm just taking this little paint scraper and just scraping along, just kind of peeling some of that paint back and just giving this palette sign a chippy look. Now I wanted to give my bee some dimension, and so what I'm using here is called Silly Winks or Fun Foam. It's a little bit thicker. I get it at Hobby Lobby in the like kids section, and so I just cut pieces of it and just stick it to the back of my wood pieces, and it kind of pops it up a little bit, and it gives it kind of a dimensional look even more. Now this is in a dimensional unfinished wood kit. So you will get the actual wood kit of everything that you see here that I am showing you here in this, including the bee, the pallet sign, and all of the little like the little wood pieces. Now, what I added extra is my ribbon and or my fabric and my sisal grass and all of that stuff. That is not something that's included in the wood kit, but that is just something that I wanted to share of how I decorated mine, or you can embellish your bee or any of your wood kits the way that you would like it. So guys, I wanted to share this fun gold or mustard looking gauze, kind of a tablecloth that I found at Hobby Lobby. I am going to be adding some of this to my bow. Now that's not included in the wood kit because you actually just get the unfinished wood kit. And so I wanted to share how I made my bow and also what kind of stuff that I used in it. So I'm just cutting a little bit of the gauze tablecloth apart just with scissors. It's like cheesecloth, and I love to add it to my bows. Now I am using my bow dabra, and I completely put my jute rope in there the opposite way. I should have put it the other way, but once I finished my bow, I was like, oh, I didn't put my jute in there the right way. So it all worked out good. And so I just wanted to share if this is kind of how I made my big old bow. And so I just ripped strips of fabric, homespun fabric. I got all of this from Hobby Lobby. Just be adding some of that gold or mustard looking gauze tablecloth, and just making a bow just like that, just going back and forth until I get the look that I want. I'm also going to be topping it with some sisal twine that I also get from Hobby Lobby, just making a couple of loops of that. I also put some sari silk in there. Now that sari silk I got from Amazon. I have it listed in my Amazon storefront. And so here is when I'm using the sisal rope, the little sisal twine. And so I'll make a couple of loops of that, and then I'll just tie everything together and then just add it to the top of my little pallet sign here. I'm also using some sisal grass, and so that is really fun just to add a little bit of whimsy to the bows and just make it all nice and fun. So again, the bows can be made as big or as small as you would like. If this is not your style, then just use different fabrics, use different colors. It's all for inspiration. Now, this unfinished wood kit is from the Rust Covered Cottage. There is a link for it in the description box below, as well as all the paint colors. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.